All right, good afternoon. My name is Damian Frazee. I am lead pastry baking instructor here at the WHCA building of the Johnson County Community College campus. Probably the one thing that impresses me the most, continually impresses me the most about Johnson County Community College is the student support services. They are extensive. You have not only academic support in all areas of study, but you also have social and mental health services here through Johnson County. When speaking about the pastry baking program, I feel the program is very, very comprehensive. We cover 2 semesters. What I feel is the biggest strength of the program is that you're not only getting experience in producing product in volume for direct sale, both online and in person, but you're also understanding, learning, being introduced to how to write a resume, how to build a logo, how to think about packaging, how to design your business, front of the house, back of the house, and how to work on a business plan. The employment outlook for the pastry baking field is very, very good. Salaries probably north of $31,000 a year once you're out in the industry. And coming out of a program like ours, I would certainly expect that job offers would be north of that figure. I want to thank you for taking time and listening to this morning, and I hope to see you in the WHCA building very soon. Thank you.